Hello, my Craftillians. I decided that I was going to do a review on my Speedball carving thingamajig. This is Speedball number 1. They have different ones, and this is just the basic. This one here has the end where you place your tips, and these are for lino cutting or making stamp cutting. That's what I use this for, is stamp carving. It has the number 6 knife, and then a number 5. This one is to take larger pieces out of your rubber. And then you got your number 3 and your number 2, which are very similar in shape at the end. Trying to make it focus for you. There we go. And then this one is the smallest one, number 1. So that's the tips that go in the back there. I'm going to show you a couple things. How about I just put number 1 in, and see here, you just slip it in, make sure it's tight, and tighten it up. This is the Speedball carve, so it's quite flexible, kind of like a eraser. And I was just going to show you with a little piece here. You use this, you can carve away from you, or you can carve towards you. Doesn't matter. I'm left-handed. I'll show you. I'm just going to do a quick line. It is so easy to use. It just glides through this material so easily. If you're using lino, it's obviously going to be more difficult, but using this tool is just awesome. Look at that. Ta-da! And this piece here, this one takes out most of the excess that you need to. So for example, I did this skull here, and I used this tip to take out the excess here. And you use the smaller one obviously for smaller pieces. I did this JB, our little geocache stamp. I'll give you an example of these guys. Stamp with the memento. So just inking up my stamp that I made. Nice. Ta-da! Yeah, it's you can make really intricate designs with it, and I don't know, I love it. Here's a little small JB. Ta-da! So yeah, very, very happy with this. I'm loving it. I just used to use a small carving knife, or I can't remember what they're called, but yeah, carving knives. But this is so much superior, so fast, and you can do intricate designs without cutting little pieces off, and all your tools go into the end. Speedball number 1. Awesome. I'd recommend it. Thanks, guys. Bye.